the toast into chunks. Put the pieces of toast into your food processor. Start out with pulse and then finally use your puree function. Process until you have small crumbs. Add the breadcrumbs to the ground beef. Add the spices to the meat. Mix with clean hands. Add Worcestershire sauce and an egg. Then wash your hands. Mix until fully incorporated. Then wash your hands again. Place a piece of parchment paper on your board. Divide the meat into 4 equal portions and then make a ball with each portion. Place the ball of meat on the paper and then squash and shape it with your hands. Make the patties more oval than round. Cut the paper into squares around the patties. Stack the patties on the plate with the paper between them to prevent sticking. Preheat your pan over medium-high heat. Reduce heat to medium and add oil. Place the patties in your pan. Sear on both sides. While the patties are cooking, go ahead and slice your onions. Continue to cook the patties until they reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius internal temperature. Remove the patties from the pan and set them aside. Drain all but 2 tablespoons of drippings from the pan. Add your onion to the pan and reduce heat to low. When your onions start to become translucent, sprinkle the sugar over the top of the onions. Stir to incorporate the sugar into the onions, then spread the onions out on the bottom of the pan. Continue to cook until they become soft and brown. Remove the onions from the pan and set them aside. Increase the heat to medium-high. To the pan, add the beef stock and the red wine. Add the roasted beef better than bouillon. And Stir to incorporate. In a small bowl, combine the cornstarch with the water and add it to the stock while whisking vigorously and continuously until smooth. Continue to whisk until sauce reaches desired consistency. Test the consistency with a spoon. When the sauce is thickened, return the patties to the pan. Cover the pan and simmer for 10 minutes. Plate the patties. Top them with caramelized onions and finish with the pan gravy. Serve with mashed potatoes and your favorite vegetable and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, cooking well doesn't mean cooking fancy.